everyone, how's it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, and today I am here because I want to share with you an order which I got through Amazon. So I got it a couple days ago, and I only opened just the box here to make sure that that is what is in it, but to say open the actual box, no, I didn't, because I wanted for us to see it together, and also it's an item which I would need to put together. So I'm going to try to see if I can do this video very short and spicy for you. So those of you who, oh, and also in it I bought what's it called, castor oil for my hair. Yeah, the Jamaican black castor oil. I cannot find anyone who makes it, so I had to purchase it on Amazon. And also I shared with you in a previous video of how you're able to purchase and ship your items to you on Amazon. All right, now I am going with a little theme which is gray and white. So because of that, some of the stuff there being changed out and all of that. So this is the item which I, oopsie, let me see if you can see it. This is the item which I bought on Amazon. All right, so here it is. All right, so I bought two of them and we are going to be going through it together. I am going to be needing some stuff like a scissors. This is the gray. I love it because it's matching back with this, and you're going to see some of the stuff which I got, or which I am getting little by little, they are going to be matching back with this gray. So as I said, I'm going with a gray and white theme. All right, so I'm going to try and see if I can guys, wrong way. I'm going to try and see if I can set up one with you on here. I don't know how fast I can go, but I am going to try. All right, so as I said, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to try to see if I can do it like that. Comes with a manual as well, but you know, Ali and the manual don't work very well. Also, this, guys, I will need to fix this back over. This is similar to this one. This is like a chest of drawer. However, I set it up the other day because I was so excited when I received it, but I set it up back way, so I have to pull that back down and do it over. But this one should not take that much time, so I will be able to do it with you. So this is the board which is to go on the top. So the top, I guess these, I just get two of these. Oh well, we'll soon find out what those are for. Not gonna take up much time because, as I said, this should be very simple and easy for me to do. So I'm gonna try and keep it within that space. All right, I should bring you down a bit lower so you can see what I'm doing. So give me a minute. All right, that's better. Yes, you can see. All right, guys, so we have the two drawers, which are these here. So we have the two drawers, then we have these two, which I'm guessing they're the ones which are going to go like that. I got a pack with screws and Allen key and like the thing for the bottom. I got these two things. I don't know what these two things are. And then I got this. All right, so let me go through real quickly to see how fast. I don't want this video to be very long because I know you have not heard from me for a while, so I do not want to keep you here too long. All right, let me just double check here. wall anchor, wall mount screw, anchor on wall. Step one, drill a hole into the wall using. No, no, it's not that type of thing. No, no, no. All right, so it has the frames, the two pieces of frames, the screws. All right, all right, all right, guys. Why didn't I bring a scissors? All right, cool. Oh, oh, now I get what those are for now. Understand, understand. Those are frames. So I guess these are to go up the top there. So, alright, so I guess this is to go on that, and then this. I have to make sure I'm doing it correctly this time because I'm not going to pull down this one. Alright, so that is the back and this is the front, right? And then, so if this is going to be the frame, where is this supposed to screw? Because anyway, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I think I got it. So this is the screw here. All right, so I'm going to do that. This is where these two pieces are supposed to go, so I'm going to screw those in, and it says that's what I'm to do first. So I'm going to go ahead and screw those in. All right, and these are the longer ones, so put J and A and B and secure with B, which are these longer ones. All right, so oopsie, I'm gonna put that in, and it comes with Allen key. So seems this video is going to be way longer than I had expected, but never fear, Ali's here. Okay, this looks like I will have to edit this video, and that is what I was running from, because you know I have been doing unedited videos for a while now. So just want to show you how easy this is, and you don't have to go and break the bank, because I'm not in that these days. That is not the type of life I'm in these days. So alright, so this, I'm just putting in the screws. So I have to make sure that I'm putting them in correctly. Now I'm going to secure this, alright? So you get the gist of this part. So I'm going to pause the video while I secure this, okay? Okay guys, so there you go. I got that in. And then the next part now is for me to put on this part, which is the top. So I need now to secure the top. Let me bring this down so you can see. For me to secure the top onto this. And I have 4 very small screws. So I'm going to be putting that in. And I think I'm going to put the link for this in the description area as well. So if you see it and you love it and you want to get it, of course you can get it, okay? And yes, I'm not going to be getting any commission from it, but that's all right. Just want to share with everyone what's happening. So I'm just securing this very tight. All right, and I'm going to pause the video while I tighten this, all right? Because I don't want the video to be too long. All right, guys, so there we have it. That's what it looks like. Very decent height. Okay, not too bad at all. I love it. And it's firm. But now I need to put on the feet, the legs. So it's just to screw these on. Pretty easy. And you see how fast I'm doing it. The only time I had to pause the video was basically just to tighten the stuff. And my bedside tables, they are ready. All right, there we go. And that's it. All right, so put that right there. Get that part out of the way. Now, this part is why I really love it as well, because it is so easy to deal with. And also, when you're moving, you don't have to be worrying about getting a big truck to pack up your stuff in, because all you have to do is just break down your stuff. Look at that. That's it. And you just insert. This is blackboard, guys. And your drawer is ready. Ali with the easy life. Ali with the easy life. Hold on. So, insert one, and then the next one. And as you realize, this took me like, what, about 10 minutes to set up. And it's just because I had to screw in the thing, why the video is actually taking a little bit longer. That's it. This is it, guys. That's basically it. Voila! Ta-da! And guess what? It matches back with the other one which I had here, which I was showing you earlier on. Oh, hold on, guys. I just remembered. Guys, look at this. That is looking really good. And the gray, it matches back with this here. The lamp, I got it from a local store. All right, but the lamp is not what we are talking about today, guys. It's this piece of furniture which I got, and it is so affordable, and it is so quick to set up, and it's not heavy. It's wood which is on the top here, but these, the drawers, they are very light and they are fabric, and you can get them in whatever color that you want to get. Okay, guys, that was easy and simple. Yeah, I wanted to get back in the frame. I wanted to get back closer to you guys so you could see it and see me as well. All right, so that's basically it. I was showing you how I basically set up my side table, my bedside lamp table, which I got from Amazon. And also remember, if you are in Jamaica or wherever and you want to know how you're able to purchase your items on Amazon and get them shipped to you, the video is also, I linked it earlier on, but I can link it again up top here so you're able to see what it is. And this nightstand here, it is less than the $50. All right, so you can go ahead and get it for yourself. All right, guys, tell me what you think about my nightstand in your video, in the comment area, and let me know what your thoughts are. And I will see you in my next video. I'm gonna try to see how best I can put these up. Okay, guys? Thank you for always being here with me, my loyal subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and walk.